Meaning of dry roasted.
Dry roasted.
Dry roasted.
Dry roasted.
Dry roasted. Dry roasted refers to a cooking method that involves roasting food, such as nuts or coffee beans, without the use of oils or other liquids. Instead, the food is heated through direct contact with hot air or a hot surface. The dry heat causes the food's natural oils to be released, resulting in a crunchy and flavorful texture. When nuts are dry roasted, they become crispy and nutty, with a slightly toasted flavor. Dry roasted coffee beans have a rich, full-bodied flavor with notes of roasted nuts and caramel. Overall, dry roasting intensifies the natural flavors of the food without adding any additional ingredients, resulting in a delicious and healthy snack.